Everyone, so I just put in an order for TjMaxx, and this is the box that it came in. So I just thought I'd go ahead, take you along, show you what I have in here. And if you're new, I am a big project planner, but I love to get deals as well. So if that interests you, I hope you will subscribe. And without any more further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Here, this is from Wonder Beauty. This is the Be Mine, a double date lip and cheek duo. So go ahead, show you what it looks like. And the color is, of course, like I said, double date. And we'll go ahead and show you what this side looks like. And I don't think this would work well for me as a cheek color, but it's really pretty. Definitely you can see this being a really pretty lip balm color. And then it just has, if I can get it open, this right here is a clear one. So I really do like this, and I'm glad I picked this one up. I have one more that I actually ordered to the same one, and I'll go ahead and find that for you. The second one, and oh, they're both called Double Date. So the shades here on this one were Be Mine and Swipe. So this is what this looks like again, and this shade was the Honeymoon and Swipe. So go ahead, I'm opening this up. Sorry guys. So this is what this one looks like, and it's a lot lighter coloring. I do like it. And if I can open it, it's a lot different color than the other one. This one's more brownish, and the other one's definitely more red, which I really like the red too. And it's hard to open on camera here, but this is what this one looks like. Again, just a clear one. And I think these are going to be really fun to work with. Right here, it looks like this is the box it came in. This is from Valentino. It's a 3-in-1. Take it out of the box. It is enormous. Probably the biggest eyebrow liner I've ever used, or eyeliner in general. And so it has 3 parts to it. The first one looks like this. So it's just your standard, whatever you want to call this, brush for your eyebrows. Not a brush, but applicator, liner, a liner, I guess. And then if you open it in the middle here, it has this part here. And so if you wanted to use this and then be really precise and use this side, so that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this part back. And then when you open up the other side here, it has this. So I think this is really cool, and it'll be really interesting to work with because, like I said, this is actually really huge. But I'm excited to see how well this works. Here from Bliss, this is the Vegan Moisture Balm in Sheer Glow. So that's what the packaging looks like when you take it out. This is what it looks like. Very cute. I don't know if this was supposed to be around Valentine's Day or not, but definitely reminds me of like Valentine's Day. And then if you open it up, it has just a slight pink kind of color, not too harsh at all. So I'm really gonna like this, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of this. It's here, and this is from Florence by Mills. It's the Frosty Night Liquid Eyeshadow, and I tried doing a video earlier. I didn't like it, so I already have it swatched. And this is the eyebrow pencil that I just showed you. This one here. So look at how pretty this is. It took a while to dry down, but that's really pretty. And then I'll take it out of the packaging and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in the packaging, and it's really pretty. Definitely glad that I picked this up. I don't normally buy eyeshadow products because I have so many, but I think this is going to be really pretty along in any of my powder eyeshadows. This here, and this is a mascara. I'll take all my mascaras here. I got a few of them, but this is the gxve mascara in black. It's supposed to lengthen and thicken. I have another one here from Wonder Beauty, and this one is the Upgraded Lashes Thickening Mascara also. This one has different kind of packaging than what I'm used to, so that's what this one looks like. And then I have another one here. This is the Mineral Fusion Making Beauty Healthy Jet Black Volume Mascara. So if I can get it out for you guys, I'll show you it. It's stuck. So that's what this one looks like. And just your standard mascara tube. And let's see. Let's keep going. I got one more. I have this from Mally. This is the higher definition multiple, what does that say? Multiplying mascara. So interested to see what this one is like. And it's really stuck in here. So this is what the packaging looks like on this one, if it will. Come on. So that's what this one looks like. I'm really interested to see what a lot of these are going to be like. This here is actually an instant lift for brows from Clinique, excuse me. So I'll go ahead and see what this one looks like out of the package. I haven't used this before, and so I'm very interested if it ever, come on. So this is what it looks like. It has this shade here for your brows, and then over here is a highlight shade. And I already swatched this since I tried to do a video before. So this is the shade of the brows product itself, and this is the shade of the highlight that went with it. I think this is going to be really nice, and I will enjoy using it. I have a few more here, and I have this here from Giorgio Armani, and I actually bought 2 of these, and the shade looks really nice. This is the Power Fabric High Coverage Stretchable Concealer. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, I have 2 of them. So I'll just go ahead and show you the packaging, and I think it's going to be really nice to work with. I'm excited. And then I have 2 of these from a Kevin Con too. This one I didn't open, so I'm just going to open the one I did open. And this is a concealer or a foundation, and I'm going to really like it. It has a good color for me, but they call it the Sensual Skin Enhancer, as you can see. So these are the exact same colors, and I think they're going to work really well for me. And lastly, I have this here. This is from KVD. It's the Super Pomade Eyeliner Shadow and Brow Pigment, and it's in the shade Taupe. I really like the packaging. I think it's pretty. When you open it up, this is the shade color. So I think it's going to work pretty well for me. Everyone, so here's everything that I just told you about that I got from TjMaxx. I'm really excited for them. And if you are new to my channel, again, I'm a big project panner. If you like that kind of project panning or that kind of videos, please subscribe. And my finale will be on March 25th if you're returning. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thanks again for watching.